3, 2, 1, go!
Hello everyone, my name is Nikitas Mahmoudis. I'm from Greece. I'm so excited to be here in this ancient theater of Cyprus with amazing people from different countries and cultures, but with the same concerns and problems. So we came here to discuss a new reinventing the democracy for the new area. We have a very big discussion about the problems and their solutions, and I can assure you that these people are so active and they make us believe that we can change the world. We are going to overcome corruption and put the technology to play the technology in this game, so we can make a better world for everyone, and we can make democracy arise again in a better way for all over the world. Thank you a lot.
Thank you.